बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी। रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 2 फरवरी 2025 के अखबार में एनेस्थीसिस्ट रिक्वायर्ड एट LRBT टर्शरी टीचिंग हाई हॉस्पिटल कोरंगी। LRBT an equal opportunity employer is committed to safeguarding children and vulnerable adults. Applications are invited for the position of anesthetist for its Korangi hospital. Eligibility FCPS/MCPS anesthesiology qualified. Post qualification experience will be preferred. Candidate must have valid PMDC license. Salary and benefits. Salary will commensurate with qualification and experience. In addition, LRBT also provides health and life insurance cover for Employee Provident Fund and LFA. If you meet the above criteria, apply online at https://lrbt.org.pk/career/ or send your CV at careers@lrbt.org.pk. Females and persons with disabilities are encouraged to apply. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. LRBT HR Department, LRBT House 37C, Sunset Lane 4, Phase 2 Extension, Defence Housing Authority, Karachi 75500. Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation PMDC vacancy announcement. Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation PMDC is a state-owned enterprise responsible. Urban Pakistan position Deputy General Manager Procurement. Purpose to assign, develop and implement procurement strategies and operations to maximize process efficiency and productivity within the parameters of applicable/legal regulatory framework. Qualification MBA or Masters in Supply Chain Management/Logistics. Minimum 16 years of education. Experience 10 years post qualification procurement experience, including 3 to 5 years as procurement manager, particularly in B2B, with knowledge of public procurement regulations, authority rules and related rules and regulations. Age up to 45 years. Experience lead the development and implementation of PMDC procurement strategy. ये एक्सपीरियंस आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। एक्सपीरियंस का आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें जनाब, ये एक्सपीरियंस है। नोट: डिपार्टमेंटल कैंडिडेट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू अप्लाई थ्रू प्रॉपर चैनल. PMDC is an equal opportunity employer. Females are equal encouraged to apply. Open term contract and market based negotiable salary. The company reserves the right to fill or not to fill the advertised positions. The last date for submission of applications is 17/2/2025. Incomplete and late applications will not be entertained. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. No TA/DA will be admissible for interview. Complete application form available at PMDC website, filled with complete supporting details, including educational and experience letters, be sent in envelope marked application for DGM. Procurement on the top right corner or through email to career@pmdc.gov.pk. General Manager HR and EA, Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation, Head Office, Plot number 13, Sector H9, Islamabad. Telephone number 92519265 132, 92519265 132, fax 92519265 12729, fax 92519265 12729. Pakistan Gems and Jewelry Development Company, Ministry of Industries and Production, Government of Pakistan. A company set up under Section 42 of the Companies Ordinance 1984. Vacancy announcement. Pakistan Gems and Jewelry Development Company PGDC is looking for qualified, experienced and Dynamic professionals for the following positions. The positions shall be filled on merit basis on contract renewable subject to satisfactory performance. Serial number 1 position Chief Financial Officer, Duty Station Head Office, KHI, numbers 1, max age 45 years. Qualification and experience: holding a master's degree in finance related disciplines from university recognized by HEC with at least 10 years relevant experience. Number 2, Chief Internal Auditor, Duty Station Head Office, Karachi, numbers 1, max age years 45. A member of a recognized body of professional accountants having qualification of CA/CPA/ACMA/ACCA/MBA Finance from reputed local or international university/institute with at least 5 years documented relevant experience in auditing and risk management, designing of internal control procedures, effective compliance of financial reliability in public/private sector with understanding of governance, risks and risk controls, especially in SOEs or public sector projects. 2. 3. Manager Projects, Duty Station Head Office, Karachi, 0145. Max age a master/bachelor's from any university recognized by HEC with 7 years overall work experience in case of masters, out of which 3 years relevant experience of project planning in a public sector company, or 10 years overall work experience in case of bachelor's, of which 3 years relevant experience of project planning in a public sector company. 4. चौथी पोस्ट है मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएट एडमिन/अकाउंट्स प्रोजेक्ट्स, ड्यूटी स्टेशन प्रोजेक्ट एट KHI, 01, numbers 45 years of age, master/bachelor's from any university recognized by HEC with 5 years relevant work experience in case of masters, or 7 years relevant work experience in case of bachelor's of managing administration and financial affairs. 5वीं पोस्ट है 5th लेज़र मार्किंग टेक्नीशियन, ड्यूटी स्टेशन प्रोजेक्ट एट LHR, 01, 45 years age, BTech/DEE mechanical/electrical with 5 years relevant work experience in case of BTech, or 7 years relevant work experience in case of DEE regarding operation and maintenance of Julie laser marking machine. 6 है XRF टेक्नीशियन, ड्यूटी स्टेशन प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ LHR, 01, पोस्ट नंबर्स 45 years age, BTech/DAE mechanical/electrical with 5 years relevant work experience in case of BTech, or 7 years relevant work experience in case of DAE regarding operation and maintenance of Julie XRF machine. 7, gemologist, duty station project at LHR, 01, numbers 45 years of age, masters in geology with 5 years experience of gemstone testing and identification, diploma in accredited gemology would be an added advantage. 8, assistant manager admin/accounts projects, duty station project at LHR, 01, पोस्ट है 45 years age है, master/bachelor's from any university recognized by HEC with 5 years relevant experience for masters, or 7 years relevant experience for bachelor's of handling administrative and financial affairs. Please note, 1, details of each position and TORs can be accessed through the company's website i.e. www.pggdc.org. Applications along with copies of testimonials including degrees, experience certificates, CNIC2 passport sized photographs must reach to undersigned within 15 days of publication of this advertisement, clearly specifying the post applied for. Applications received through courier shall only be entertained/accepted. NOC from candidates already working in government/public sector organization is required from respective organization. Final selection will be subject to clearing the test/interview and submission of HEC verified degrees. PGJDC reserves the right to accept/reject any or all of the positions at any stage. Contact person, manager, administration and human resources, Pakistan Gems and Jewelry Development Company, ground floor, PIDC House, Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed Road, Karachi. Contact number 0213563139426, 0213563139426. TradeX की जॉब है. लीडिंग कंपनी that requires the following personnel for their Karachi and Lahore branch. Females are encouraged to apply. Business Development Manager, Bachelor/Masters in related fields. Excellent client management and communication skills. Business Development Executive. Minimum 3 years of experience in sales and client handling. Strong communication and negotiation skills. Send your CV mentioning the post and city applied for to info@tradex1pk@gmail.com. WhatsApp +923082856301, +923082856301. Managing Director/CEO, Group Director, Accounts Finance, Senior Mechanical Engineer, Director Admin and HR Operations. The ideal candidates for above mentioned post should have worked for minimum 25 plus years experience as senior level position in reputed org.x. Government officers are encouraged to apply. Eligible candidates may submit their complete profile CV via email career.staff2024@aol.com, chairman@eworldwidegroup.com. Job opportunity: Project Manager, Civil for Housing Society, minimum 15 to 20 years of extensive experience. Required in infrastructure structure developments. Required qualification BSc Civil Engineering. For contact and CVs, WhatsApp +923205511494, +923205511494. Metropolitan Corporation, Islamabad, Directorate of Sports, Culture and Tourism. Walk-in interview. Hiring of cricket coach. The job requires a provision of professional services to the CDA Islamabad cricket team, the Udan Pakistan. The individual will act as head coach, both white and red ball. This will include assisting cricket team in game planning/strategies, pre/post tournament preparation/evaluation, performance enhancement/improved international ranking, improved fitness standards with the help of support staff, facilitating team excellence/augmentation in individual skills with regards to the consistency in performance at departmental/domestic and national competitions. Hiring of cricket coach criteria. Minimum level 2 cricket coaching accreditation. Minimum 2 years of coaching experience with a national/franchise/domestic teams. Applicants should be preferred if he is former international cricketer or should have played 20 plus first class matches. Experience in successfully coaching athletes/cricketers to the required international standards. Applicant should have level 2 qualification, strong planning, organizing and executing capabilities, proven experience in monitoring and evaluating systems and processes currently in vogue at the international arena. ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा. Strong written and commercial communication skills, strong analytical capabilities with problem solving skills. Computer literacy, Microsoft Office. General terms and conditions like general information / instructions application along with attested photocopies of educational documents, experience certificates, recent photographs, CNIC and domicile etc. should be submitted by mail within 15 days from the date of advertisement. Incomplete applications and applications by hand shall not be entertained. Salary is negotiable based on experience and skills of applicant. CDA has the right to cancel the advertisement or to increase / decrease number of posts. The employees will be appointment on contract basis for an initial period of 6 months will be extended. Further, if required, having no vested right for regular appointment / regularization, only shortlisted candidates who qualify as per above criteria will be called for interview. No TA / DA will be admissible. Candidates will be required to bring original documents, educational and experience certificates along with attested copies at the time of interview. The candidates working in public sector departments / organization should attach departmental NOC with application. Application forms can be downloaded from CDA website www.cda.gov.bk. In case of any query, contact 05192011631, 05192011631 and 9201607 ड्यूरिंग ऑफिस आवर्स। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।